All right, we'll do a quick walk around of our HJ61. Had a full teardown repaint overseas and kind of a light restoration. Yeah, they coated the frame, undercarriage. Took the entire body off to do the repaint. It was originally a French car from the records that we have. So we'll go under the hood real quick. Probably the prop rod would help here. So it shows nicely under here. There's a few small things that didn't get done, like the overflow bottle here. We did have aircon installed in it, so it's brand new. I guess we had them go through the compressor. It was a factory aircon car, but it had the original compressor, so they've retrofitted it, installed it for us at a specialty shop in Belgium that supplies the majority of the kits and parts for Toyota ACs worldwide. So we're glad we found them because they do great work. From what I can tell, it has some, stance is pretty high. So I think it's probably a 2-inch, maybe 4-inch lift. It's definitely with the tire size. You do have manual locking hubs up front. So they redid the upholstery inside, which it's definitely quality work. Our team member was cleaning interior with his new dry ice cleaning machine, and that's what happened here. So that was Miesco. He got all overzealous trying out his new toy. So we'll start it, then we'll wrap the interior. These motors always just run smooth. My shop manager has driven every single one of ours we've got in as daily driver in the shop car, which is cool. Like, he loves these things. They have great power. I know when I drove it, the 2 turbo lights went off and the battery light just idle. I think it's throwing off the sensor, which is normal on all of our diesels. They idle low enough. Has a Land Cruiser, the Toyota rubber floor mat. Like I said, the upholstery work is good. The dash wasn't replaced during it, or the top gauge cluster. So there's some little things you could do to clean up, but a lot of the heavy lifting has been done. Looks like we need to clean back here a little better. It doesn't look as bad here in person, but it shows up real nice on video. So I've only driven it a few miles. Things that needs an alignment. We've already gone under, over the undercarriage. We paid the company overseas to go through the AC because I thought that would be important. That you rarely see one of these diesels with working AC. So to sort that out, I thought was a big contribution. Yeah, there it is. We'll do a GoPro test drive tomorrow. I think our photographer is going to take some pictures too. So Any questions, let us know.